Hey everyone, we are experiencing heat wave here in Germany right now. It's super hot. Look our weather right now. It goes up to 35 degrees, 37 degrees. So everybody is encouraging everyone to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. Yes. As a mom, I remind my kids to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. And you know, they just get directly water from our faucet because everyone knows that tap water here in Germany is one of the safest water in the world. But as a mom, I want to give them the best. Sometimes tap water has a chlorine taste and I can't help myself not to worry what's really inside of it because sometimes there's like a heavy metals and other substances, unwanted substances. That's why I feel so much better having a filtered water at home. And I discovered the water drop. Another thing I really appreciate is that it doesn't need electricity and it produces no waste water.
No waste of water.
Yes, which makes it more eco-friendly option, which is really matters to me, especially living here in Germany. It may seem a small thing, but honestly, it makes a big difference in our everyday life, especially during these days that staying hydrated is so important.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers! What we like about it is that it's SGS tested to reduce bad taste and odor, lead, PFAS, and more.
Good.
So finally, I don't have to carry so heavy water that I have to buy alone in the stores. Around 3 kilos, 5 kilos sometimes, and I have to carry that all the time. Every week, I have to refill our water, and we're just buying in a plastic bottle. That's for me, it's so heavy. And you know, sometimes the water in the plastic, they said that it's better to drink in a glass bottle, but the problem is the glass bottle is heavier than plastic bottle. So I have to buy plastic, I have to buy water in a plastic bottle. Now I'm so excited for this product because I don't have to do it. It's now time to install our water drop under sink water filter, and the model that we have is the 10UA.
Hi guys, now we have this water drop here, so we are going to install underneath our sink to filter our drinkable water, potable. Included inside the box, there are two hoses included. One is for the inlet going to the machine, and other for the outlet going to the faucet. So we got to install that one. There are also included materials. It's very easy to install. Normally, it usually fits to any sink hose. So you just need to disassemble this cold line and then attach this inlet hose. So we're gonna do it right now. Let's go. So guys, there's also a guide where you can install these two hinges to hang the whole filtration system. You just insert it inside and then plug in the hose going out and then the source in. So now we're ready. It's on, and we need to hang to the wall to make it stable before we use. There you go. Ready and steady.
The moment of truth.
Moment of truth, guys. So on gonna be. So there you go.
Wow! So we now have a water drop filter in our sink, so we can drink directly from the sink. The filter also lasts up to 12 months, so there's less hassle with replacing it all the time, and it's better value compared to constantly buying bottled water. Yes, guys, we've been using the water drop under sink water filter for a week now, and I would say that it made a lot of difference. The taste is way better than when you buy a water in a plastic bottle. I really love it, especially my kids loves it. And you can see the difference if there's a filter in your water or in your tap water, because the water flow is very smooth. Ayan. This has a filter. You can see that the
Mama.
difference. Yeah.
I want water.
Sure. Hi, babe. So this is now what is my daughter is drinking every day. And you know, if you are a mom, you want only the best for your daughter. So guys, check out this water drop under
It's clear.
very clear. Yes, look at that. You can see the difference. Super clear. Tastes good. And you know that it's 100% safe for your daughter. How it tastes, love?
Good.
You like it? Yeah, she loves it. So yes, guys, check out this water drop under sink water filter. And you can save up to 25% in the Prime Day and Prime Deal. Yes, and 5%. You can save up to 5% when you use our code. Yes, we have a code, babe. That's all, and thank you so much for this water drop filter. They still have a lot of products. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching.
And please watch more. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Peace.
Peace din sa'yo.
Hello, blenders. Good morning. Disturbo muna kami. Kaya may trabaho yung isa.
I want to buy slime.
Pambak po kami.
Buy slime.
Dito lang na dito.
First of all,
Okay,
let's
ano?
buy slime. First of all, let's buy slime. First of all, let's buy slime.
Yan yung ganap nila ngayon, oh. Grabe ka, busy. Pero nahiya ako kay, lunch break na nila.
So ayan guys, dumadaong na po yung sasakyan ni Stephanie mamaya. Ano sabi, be? Ubat? Hindi ka nag-charge. Okay lang.
Cellphone na lang.
Oo.
Ayan, grabe po ang trabaho ni Mr. Cameraman. Kaya ayaw naming disturb niya. Nahiya ako kay andun lahat yung mga colleague niya, katrabaho.
Welcome, madam.
Welcome, madam daw. May ginoo ko. Ito siya, parang ini-entertain ko kung saan kami pupunta. Wala kasing swimming pool dito na sa labas. Malamig. So, where we go? Should we go out or we go to our room?
Go.
Go out? Oh, wait, Arya, because I have... Huh?
We need to clean our room. We're not allowed to be there.
Yeah, kasi may naglilinis po sa kwarto namin. Babe. Yung bataan ni... Oh, nakakahiya ka ba? Ang daming tao, oh. Come. Hala, oh, may mga siya, oh. Wait, look at that. There's a lot of people. Mga business. Kahapon meron po nag-photoshooting dito. Look, who are they? I think they are business people. Nandito po kami ngayon sa rooftop. Ayan. Dinalan ko si Aya kasi di pa tapos ang paglilinis ng ating kwarto. Ano ba? Okay. Ayaw ko namang disturbo siya sa tito niya. Go. Palagi po siya pumupunta sa tito niya. Andun pa naman yung mga managers, mga boss, mga doctors. Nakakahiya. Disturbo. Hindi naman siya, si Arya naman is babe naman siya pagsabihan. Pero syempre, makita na lang na may bata kasama. Ayan yung mga salita ng film. So hot here. Whew. Sigal, come. Super hot. Wait. Okay. Go. So this is the rooftop. Oh, ang lamig. Here's cold. Inside is hot and here's cold. Whoa. Bus keeps here. Should we go around? Go. Ito po yung rooftop nila. Dinala ko lang si Arya dito. You can also go out later. Ah, here, there. There's like a bar. You can go to this side lang, kain ko. Yung parang merong bar dito.
Where's bar? Where's bar?
There. The right side. Doon po, oh. Doon po yung bar. Oh, there's a lot of flowers here. Oh, ayan po yung boat. The big boat is there. May boat din dyan. Grabe kalaki ng ano, oh, barko. Oh. Hmm? So there's a rooftop where we can sit. Ganda ng mga flowers. Oh. Daisy. Ito yung sinabi ni Arya, di ba? Daisy. And this is all, lavender. Go. Ayan. So, meron pala ditong rooftop. Pwede ka dito mag-chill. Nakikita mo din ang ibang simbahan, mga tourist spots, tourist buildings. Ayan. Here, you can sit here. Chill, chill. Yeah, you can. Wala. Turista. Wala. Vacation. Vacation girl. Ayan, oh. Oh, andun yung langga, oh. Andun. You can stand it here. You see that? Wow. Ang saya niya, oh. Di ba? This is the port.
But there's the pool, but I wanna see the pool.
Pool. Later. Yeah, zoom natin ha. Let's zoom in. Ano makikita natin dyan? Oh, may nagbiyahe. Mga yacht. Ito naman. Oh, laki ng barko, oh. Nice.
So I wanna go to the pool.
So the pool is there.
I wanna
That
go
side.
to the pool.
Ito yung ganap.
Can we see the pool?
Kawawa naman itong cameraman natin. Dinalan tayo ng pagkain.
Okay, this problem.
Except this. You come back.
Kumuha ako ng sample para ipakita ko sa kanya kung ano yung gusto niya.
Ah.
Then, babalik ako para kuhanan siya ng mas marami. Pero sabi niya, ayaw daw niya lahat yan. Ito lang daw gusto niya.
Oh.
Shadow.
Ang dami. Meron siyang fish.
Kukuha ko drinks, B.
Sige.
I'm hungry.
Pwede pahiram ng isang...
I'm hungry.
Dito, oh.
Plato?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Isa lang?
Yeah.
What do you want then?
Arya, you have a lot of food.
No, I don't
You want
have
pasta?
any of this. Only this one and this one.
Yeah, okay then that.
I
Later.
don't want to eat these ones. I need some.
Nawa man ako sa
Why do they have no
Dito na
rice?
naman siya.
You don't have rice.
Hi.
It's all vegan. Tay, mukuha na ko mo. Say hello lang. Hello,
Ay,
baby.
hello.
Hello, how did you sleep well? No? Did you close your eyes?
Wipe your mouth na ngayon.
She traveled to the moon, Tito. Are you okay? I just want to say hello. Good afternoon. Yan lang. Yan, enjoy. Basic kasi ito. Ba't hindi kayo doon?
Dito lang.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yes, upstairs. The same palapag as us.
How, which floor?
Third floor.
Katrabaho niya na.
Third
Ang bait din niya.
floor.
Ba't daw kami dito kumakain? Ang dami din dala mo, eh.
Yeah.
Kaloy, ano niya, uy. Parang ikaw lang yung may
I thought you
pamilya.
need to work.
Hindi nandun, mayroon din pamilya si Daniela at si Micaela pero doon man sila kumakain. Ayaw mo nang pumunta doon. Naiyak man. Nahanap ka ni Divina at ni Buso.
I thought that was eggs.
That's not egg, that's margarine. Ay, butter, sorry, if you want butter. That's the only carbon I have there. So, maybe you want or not. So, tell me.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
So, enjoy your meal.
Gutom apetit?
And good appetit. Thank you.
Kain na, Bi.
Pero okay ka na?
Oo.
Hindi ka naman na-pressure na
Hindi ako nag-pressure.
na-disturbo ka.
Ha?
Na-disturbo
Sila
ka.
nga nandidisturbo sa pamilya ko. Tigilan niyo ako, ha? Joke.
When is she
Grabe, dala
gonna
niyo.
come?
Pakainin talaga tayo ng napakadami, oh. Sus, buyag.
When is she gonna come out of the
Buti na lang itong bata, kumakain siya ng broccoli. Ay, buyag na. At saka ito, meron tayong salmon dito na fish. Pero, malamig. At kailangan natin ng rice. Yeah?
Ito, alternate ng rice.
Mama, why do I have boy socks?
No, it's for anyone.
Unisex. Can
It's
be boy,
unisex.
can
So
be...
why gray?
It's okay.
We both multiple colors.
It's better the gray because you're just making it...
Purple.
Ah, yeah, you're making it dirty. That's why it's okay. At saka ito daw yung... Ano ng rice? Ano tawag yan?
Quinoa.
Quinoa?
Quinoa pala.
Ah, quinoa. Yung quinoa daw. Yung gawin yung rice nila. So, let's eat. Grabe, nagpuno na. Weird. Tapos na, nanangkamot.
Testing lang naman to para kung gusto mo, pwede pa namang mag-refill.
Ah,
Dami pa doon.
buffet pala.
Tito,
Hey guys, dito na po kami ngayon sa room. Yeah.
Tito,
Oh, sabihin ko
is
siya.
that girl staying here for how many days?
Just let Mama first finish the video. I will answer your questions later.
Okay.
Marites. Marites. Mga katrabaho ni cameraman.
Can I start first?
Okay, tinatanong niya.
Okay.
Okay, wait. So, we are now here. Dito na po kami sa aming kwarto at mag-room tour tayo kasi nung una nating punta, wala tayong room tour. So, ngayon,
Look up.
si Arya po ang mag-room
So
tour.
first of all,
Yeah,
here is a cabinet.
cabinet. Okay.
For our jackets
Yeah.
and some clothes a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And here's some towels. And here's
Yeah.
to put some of our jackets here
Yeah.
outside.
Mm-hmm. And there's also the steamer there. They don't have, what is this? Iron. They have steamer. Yeah.
Yeah, they have.
Mm-hmm. And then,
And then we have here,
mm-hmm.
over here.
Yeah.
This is not just a normal cabinet.
Wow! What is it then? Oh, magic! What is it? It's a?
It's for food, some drinks and stuff. And here's a fridge for drinks.
Uh-huh.
And here's a safe.
Safe.
And here we can put some a little bit food. And here's a food.
Mm, that's for coffee.
And there's extra glasses
Yeah, extra glasses upstairs.
up here.
Ayan, up here. Okay, and then
And then we have this
we
nice
have the bed.
bed. And here is a TV also.
Wait, we turn it on. Ayan.
And
There's
here's
also
a TV. And
TV.
Here's light. And here's the remote for it.
Yeah, that's the light where you can read. If you need a light to read.
And
That's
where's our food? Oh, they cleaned it.
yeah, I already throw the other. Okay, so this is the bed.
And then
then
you can put some things here, like chargers and stuff.
mm-hmm.
And over here,
Yes.
here is 2 chairs. This one normally need to be here so you can relax your feet here.
Ah, good idea. Oh, hala. You can carry it. Careful.
It's really easy to carry it, by the way.
Uh-huh.
And you can do this.
Mm. And then,
Don't remind us back.
mm-hmm. And then,
And then we have another one on the other side.
mm-hmm. And Arya even bring the projector. Ah, okay. I thought you. And then,
And then here's to call if it's free, the drinks or not. We called it last night. And what is this? Is this Tito's?
yeah, passport. Oh, wait. Look at that.
Here,
It's
someone
very
gave it to me.
special.
Someone gave it to me.
Who?
I forgot the name.
Tita Julie.
Yeah, Tita Julie. But guys, if you don't know her, then
If
you'll
you?
see her in the video.
Oh, okay. Which video?
Our video.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And
You
then,
know the next video. It's right here. Now you need to put the video and while you
here in the app. Okay. It's right there. Okay. Thank you.
And
Tita
then-
Julis.
And then here you can put some jackets or a bag or like this, like mine.
Okay.
And here you can put your luggages.
Thank you. And the toilet later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone's already there.
Okay.
So bye, peace.
Hey guys, can you help me?
Let's turn off the light and then
Okay.
because it's nice like that way, right? Huh?
So, we will do a little tour for our
Bathroom.
toilet. Kasi wala pong bath dito. Shower area. Shower room. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko na medyo social sila kasi ang gamit nila lahat po ay rituals. Perfect! Kasi maganda po yung rituals sa skin. Ayan o. Sosyalin. Mamahalin ng kanilang mga gamit na sabon. And as the... Ay! Are you okay? Napagkog. Where you there? I'm going out. Sige. So, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Nagkikita. Same lang po sa iba pong mga hotel. Yun pa yung mga arrangement. Meron silang toilet. Ay, meron silang towels. Ayan. Meron, ang perfect to kay meron silang bidet. And, yeah, yun ang shower area. May malaki and small. Maka-choose ka. And, yun yung mga gamit. So, yan na po yung ating shower area tour. Thanks!
Each time I think